गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा.
गुरुर साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Happy Teachers Day to all the sisters and teachers. Today me, Muskan,
And me, Asmit, are going to give a short speech. We hope you may like it.
on this special day, we want to thank all the teachers for their helpfulness, careness, guidance, and all the hard work they do for us. Thank you for always showing us the right path.
Our teachers are very empathetic, dedicated, talented, inspirational, and they deserve our huge appreciation and respect. 5th September Teachers' Day is the day of all the teachers of the country who help their students to be something in life.
We are so proud to be student of St. Joseph School, Kotma. In this situation, you are teaching us continuously. It really means a lot. We are really glad to be one of your students. If we were present at that time, we might have celebrated the day beautifully and enjoyed a lot.
But due to the situation, we are not present, so we are sending our love through this video. Thank you, and again wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Morning to all of you. Today I, Archie Jain from the class 10th B. First of all, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day, and I'm really very thankful to all the teachers who gave their precious time for the student learning and who has been guiding force during the lockdown. You have not only taught us the new way to learn, but have also motivated us in the lockdown. And now I'm just ending my words with a few words that teachers are like magicians who use their magic wands to help us make our lives easier and more beautiful. So overall, thank you so much.
मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ बेवनिया मौसम छे गई रात भूलो बती रात
student of class 7A. Today, I wish Happy Teachers Day to all my dear sisters and teachers. Today, I am going to perform a small dance to thank you all.
Happy Teachers Day, all my lovely teachers. My name is Purvi Misra. I am in class 7th. I am going to perform a very beautiful dance.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाएं पर देखो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, हामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
Thank you.
सोचूं, मेरा तो चाहूं,
जीवन में जो राह दिखाए सही तरह चलना सिखाए। माता पिता से पहले आता, जीवन में सदा आदर पाता, जो मेरा शिक्षक कहलाता।
You are lots of joy and happiness. You are an amazing teacher and you deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration and the guide and candle of my life. I am so thankful to have a teacher like you in my life.
जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, बंद हो जाए सभी दरवाजे नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप, सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं जिंदगी जीना सिखाते हैं आप।
Just want to say to all my wonderful teachers that we could grow never ever so big so that we can give you all your Guru Dakshina. We can only thank you saying that the way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take and the love you share makes you the world's best teacher. So thank you and a very very happy
Happy Teachers Day!
We all know during this lockdown period, we all are stuck at our homes. But as this is the last Teachers' Day in this school, I really want my all teachers to know how much I miss them, and I really love all my teachers a lot. And I want to be sorry for all the mistakes I had made. I wish you all very, very happy Teachers' Day. Stay safe and keep always smiling.
All the efforts and hard work you invested to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in minor word. We can only be grateful for having a teacher like you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे उनकी, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
हूँ मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों, हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नू मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों, है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इसे झूमने दे अपनी बीत दे, कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके, कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, सारे या फिक्रां नू छड्ड के, बन ठन के, कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे,